Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a mixed video. I'm gonna put different trails coming down on those trails. I'm also going to do a bike check, and basically at the end we'll be going down Black Widow again, but this time we're gonna be pushing a little bit. I got my personal record broken last week. I don't know if I'll be able to match it or break it today, but we're gonna be pushing a little bit. We're also gonna take a different line at the bottom to try and do that as well. So stick around, check out all the videos, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing, like I mentioned, a little bit of a mixed video, and right now we're going to do a quick bike check in case there is anybody out there wondering what is it that I'm riding. This is a Banshee Titan, and you can see the name, it's actually embossed right on the top too. It's kind of cool. This is a large frame. It is a full 29er front and back, 180 travel in the front, 160 or I believe 155 in the back. It's running the Descent cranks with SRAM derailleur and cassette GX Eagles, doing Chromag saddle as well as Chromag grips, handlebar and stem. Running with the Industry 9 Enduro 305 wheel set, which is really sweet, and the super large Pedal Innovation flat pedals that I get from jamesbike.com. You guys should go check him out. He's an awesome coach, and those are his own design pedals, and they're amazing. Oh yes, and I am running the Shimano Saint brakes front and back. These actual brakes, I've been using those brakes for like, I don't know, 12-13 years. They're amazing. They're exactly the same as if you bought them today. There's no difference. You just basically bleed them and they feel like brand new. So it's a crazy design that's been true and tested throughout the decade. So oh yes, and then the one dropper post, I like it. It came with the bike, but I've had like 3 of them, and over maybe after 3 months of using them, they start getting a little sticky, so I don't like that. I think that the next one is going to be a different brand, but we'll see about that. Whenever I get a new enduro bike. My next bike that I'm getting is a downhill bike, so I will be replacing my 11-year-old downhill bike, which is still a 26er. So that's going to be a lot of fun. But anyway, this is a quick bike check, and I will see you once I start riding down, guys. Alright guys, getting ready to try the Demaca drop again. We're gonna have a little bit of extra speed coming into it, and hopefully nobody's coming up at this very second. You gotta be loud, you gotta be rowdy, because there's a lot of blind turns here. I wanna make sure people hear you coming down so that they can move out of the heck way. All right. As I mentioned, we're gonna be going down this first section to the left and then head over to Black Widow. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that part's still nice and moist, so it's nice and it's not slippery, or that's not very slippery. But the rest of this trail, obviously the fire road is completely dry, dusty again. But once you get to Black Widow, some sections are going to be drier than others. Some sections might still have a little bit of pooled up water, but the important thing is that this time around we're going to be pushing a little bit, so let's see what happens. There we go. Definitely drier. Won't be doing much vlogging since we're trying to push a little bit, so gotta concentrate a little bit more. Stupid uphill. I heard there's gonna be some trail work done next week or this coming week. Let's see what it looks like after that. Don't think they're gonna really do much about the lines, but maybe pick up a little bit of these loose rocks. That'll be nice. Okay, just slow down a little bit. Howdy. Yeah, definitely far more dry than the last few days. This is a different line. This is a rock garden line. It's pretty harsh. You really gotta like find the right smooth line. Woo! All right, that was it. Cool, guys. I'll see you around. Maybe I'll try and do a different trail next time. We'll see. Yeah, we'll talk a little bit about weight loss next video.
which is something that I've been doing for the since April last year, where I was weighing 240 pounds. Today I'm at 192. My goal is to be at 175 by the start of the season, downhill season that is, late May, early June. So that's my goal, and I can talk about it, how I've been doing it, and maybe you can benefit from it. All right, okay, cool. Talk to you guys later.